Hey, a quick tutorial on how to make an object or text to blink. In this case, record red dot. So, select the object, hit T for opacity, add a keyframe at 0 mark for 100%. Now choose the time interval you need. In this case, let's say half a second. Add another keyframe for 100%, press page down for a single frame, change it to 0, make a keyframe half a second further, at 0% also, and once again press page down, add a keyframe and make it 100. The most important thing is that your first and last keyframe is at the same value, 100% at this point. Now Alt or Option click on stopwatch near the opacity, click on the arrow, then Property and choose Loop Out Cycle. And here we have object blinking forever. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you in the next video.